What's going on, and welcome back to another tips and tricks of the trade video. And in this video, we are continuing the kind of sub-series to our entire series for folding clothes and articles of clothing for different various types of travel. Now, yes, this video is kind of geared more towards the military and helping military personnel with, prepping all of their equipment and clothes for different types of official, maybe even non-official travel, from training rotations to deployments and all that stuff. But this does work for pretty much everything. It doesn't matter if you're civilian, military, law enforcement, going on vacation, or traveling and doing something official. Folding all your clothes and essentially ranger rolling or rolling your clothes will help optimize the space that you have when it comes to packing everything you need for whatever trip you got going on. So with that, in this video, we are going to be jumping on essentially shorts or PT shorts. This does not work for all of the different types of shorts that are out there. This is kind of specific for, to some degree, specific for, military physical fitness shorts. So yeah, just keep that in mind. This may or may not work with what you got, but for those of you that are in the military, you have your, PT shorts. This is just laid out as they come, or as they sit, so to speak. With that, you're going to have to essentially like fold overlaps into this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your shorts and you're going to get your logo on the bottom of that short to the center, and you're going to have a little bit of overlap both on the left, and then if you flip this over, you got a little bit of overlap on the right as well. But with that, once you get into the center, you should be good to go. And then what you're going to do from there is you're going to take your shorts. I like to flip them away from me. And then you just take that logo portion and you're going to fold that underneath the short like so, roughly a quarter to a fifth of the short length. And then from there, you're just going to rotate that over so that way it's nice and neat. Make sure all your creases are relatively good. And then from there, you're going to fold over the short from right to left. Now, one thing you got to watch out for is this little flap right here, so to speak. That's a part of one of the leg openings. If you don't have an adequate enough of this material folded over, what's going to happen is if you have it, roughly even that much over, what's going to happen is as you roll it up, this is going to come loose and then it's not going to grab and lock like you want it to. So just make sure that you have a little bit of extra material on the side right there. And it's roughly, 2 to 3 finger lengths. And then from there, you're going to take the left-hand side. You're going to do the same thing. And then from this position, just make sure everything's nice and tight and nice and neat. You can put one hand up here at the top so that way the shorts don't shift around on you. And then you're just going to roll that short waistline all the way to the bottom of the short, to that locking pocket, so to speak. And then you're just going to rotate that over like so. And then that right there, relatively speaking, is your rolled PT shorts, and that shouldn't come undone. But with that, you can kind of see like this side right here is coming out just a little bit. If you don't fold it correctly, it's going to pop out and it's not going to hold. So you may have to do this a couple of times just to make sure that that stays in place and doesn't unfold. So that's a good test or a check. If it's folded correctly, just give it a flip. If it stays in place, you should be good to go. So with that, that is folding or ranger rolling or rolling shorts for travel. If you got any questions, please feel free and leave a comment. We'll help you out in any way that we can. And with that, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.